How to change location on Snapchat Maps. So for this, you'll be needing an external application called Fake GPS Location, which is easily available in your Play Store or an App Store. Now tap Open to it. Here you have to go ahead and open Settings in your Developer option. Scroll down to the very end. Now, we are searching for Location section right here. Then tap on Select Mock Location App and select the application Fake GPS. Then once it is done, let's go back to our application and pin a fake location. For an example, I'm setting in Brazil. Then tap on this play icon right here. Now once it is done, what we have to do next is we have to open our Snapchat to see if it is working. Then scroll down and see for the location. Here as you can see right here, it is showing currently in Brazil, which means that this application is working. Isn't it simple? Make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.